If you're anything like me, you probably open a Safari tab for something you want to check later and then completely forget about it. Before you know it, you have got dozens of tabs sitting open in Safari. The good news is that your Mac can automatically close old Safari tabs for you, and it only takes a few seconds to set it up. Here's how you can do it. First, open Safari on your Mac. Then, look at the menu bar at the top of your screen and click on Safari. From the menu, select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click Tabs at the top. Now look for the option called Automatically Close Tabs. By default, this is set to manually, which means Safari will keep your tabs open until you close them yourself. Click the drop-down menu next to it, and you will see 3 automatic options: after 1 day, after 1 week, and after 1 month. Choose the option that works best for you. For example, if you mainly use Safari for quick searches and don't usually need all tabs, after 1 day is a good choice. If you like keeping tabs around for a little longer, you can also choose after 1 week or after 1 month. Once you select an option, you can simply close the settings window. That's it. From now on, Safari will automatically close tabs based on the setting you selected. The timer is based on how long the tabs have gone without being accessed, rather than simply counting from when you first opened them. And if you ever change your mind, just come back to Safari, Settings, Tabs, and switch automatically closed tabs back to manually. So if your Safari window is constantly filled with tabs you forgot about, this is a really simple way to keep things under control without having to close them yourself. If this tip helped, give it a like and subscribe for more Apple and Mac tips. Thanks for watching.